Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve this problem to find C value. Solution: C power 3 by C plus C plus C equal to 16. Now this C power 3 can be written as C power 2 plus 1 by C plus C plus C equal to 16. Now we know this express identity that a power m plus n equal to a power m times a power n. This express identity we are going to apply here. So we'll get C power 2 times C power 1. In denominator, C plus C can be written as 3C equal to 16. Now this C cancels this C, so we have C square by 3 equal to 16. C square by 3, we are going to multiply by 3 on both sides, so 16 times of 3. Now 3 cancels this 3, so we have C square equal to 16 times of 3. C square, take a square root on both sides, so square root of 16 times of 3. Now this square and square root will cancel each other. Now we have C equal to plus or minus square root of 16 times of 3. Now C equal to plus or minus square root of 16 times square root of 3. Now C equal to plus or minus, this is square root of 16 is 4 times square root of 3. Here C1 equal to 4 square root of 3 comma C2 equal to minus 4 square root of 3. Now we are going to verify this. Verify C to the power of 3 by C plus C plus C equal to 16. Now we are going to apply this C1 here, that is 4 square root of 3. Now C we are going to apply here. So C, which is 4 square root of 3 whole power 3 by 4 square root of 3 plus 4 square root of 3 plus 4 square root of 3 equal to 16. Four square root of 3, this can be written as 2 plus 1 by, this is 3 times of 4 square root of 3 equal to 16. According to this express identity, this can be written as a power m plus n equal to a power m times a power n. So 4 square root of 3 square times 4 square root of 3 by 3 times of 4 square root of 3 equal to 16. Now this cancels this, so we have 4 square root of 3 whole square by 3 equal to 16. Now applying this square here. So 4 square times square root of 3 square by 3 equal to 16. Now this square and square root will cancel each other. Now we have 16, 4 square is times 3 by 3 equal to 16. Now this 3 cancels this. So we have 16 equal to 16. So LHS equal to RHS. Now we are going to apply that C2 equal to minus 4 square root of 3 on C to the power of 3 by C plus C plus C equal to 16. Minus 4 square root of 3 whole power 3 by minus 4 square root of 3 plus minus 4 square root of 3 plus minus 4 square root of 3 equal to 16. Now according to this, minus 4 to the power of 3 square times minus 4 square root of 3. In denominator, 3 times of minus 4 square root of 3 equal to 16. Now this cancels this. Now we have minus 4 square root of 3 by 3 whole square equal to 16. Now minus 4 whole square root of 3 square by 3 equal to 16. Now this square and square root will cancel each other. Now we have 16 times of 3 by this 3 equal to 16. Now this 3 cancels this. So we have 16 equal to 16 C2. So LHS equal to RHS. This is also verified. Thanks for watching this video.